Let's summarize. I've diagnosed several issues that are present in this scene. First of all, the forcing of a conflict discussion when one of the partners is not ready. Secondly, not accepting fault for your own behaviors, but blaming and justifying them. Thirdly, responding by trying to force the other person to do what you want them to do. And the last one is the use of hurtful words that are often not meant, but still hurt. And they can escalate the conflict. But at any point, one or both people can stop and ask for clarification and give the person the opportunity to say what they really mean rather than assigning the worst possible motive to the communication that was mentioned. So, what is the prescription for this? Well, first of all, try to choose the best time and place to discuss conflict. Again, when both of you are not emotionally upset and you've taken time to identify what is the actual problem. The actual problem here is that Jack feels like he can't trust her because she didn't tell him about something which led him to believe that there was something there to hide. That's the actual issue. So we need to stay focused on that issue in the conflict instead of starting to attack each other personally. And secondly, of course, acknowledge if you've done something wrong, don't defend yourself. Don't blame the other person. Acknowledge it. I'm sorry. I was wrong. I thought it was the best choice, but it clearly wasn't. And this was not my intent to try to communicate this to you. Please forgive me. And then when you're taking time to plan for conflict, choose to focus on the words themselves as far as the issue and not attacking the other person. Finally, I mentioned jealousy. If jealousy is an issue, you need to work to build trust, and trust takes time to build. I like to use a stack of paper. If I have a stack of paper this high and trust is broken, it's not like it's just one sheet goes off the top. The entire stack gets flung on the floor. And so now, in order to rebuild, we have to start one sheet at a time, one instance at a time, rebuilding that trust. That's why it's so important that when your spouse trusts you, you maintain that trust. If you know your relationship is sick and you need to visit the Communication ER, then go to thecommunicationdoc.com and see what I have to offer. Stay tuned and subscribe for more breakdowns, breakthroughs, and better conversations.